I would want you to really focus on this.
Da ka jing sngongu halor ka sinjam jong ka sorkar ban wan lam ya ki samla ha ka jing ang nuot ban penlong ya ke India kari ka baroi bapar hashwa usnam arhajar sa punyo lengba ka jing pelat ya ka Viksit Bharat da umentri rangba du kari Narendra Modi ki professor rengkat ki Khynnah Pule na ki skol ba bapher ki Iasam ya ki Jingshem bat ki jing ai jing mud bathamai kabalong kongsan na kabenta ka jingla chong ke India ban penlong ya kari kabaroi bapar hakini ki arposan snem ki banwan
is climate friendly
to motivate the youth since from their school level, since from their primary level or secondary level in school, like not only studies about the who are in the books only, that are in the books, but it should be also like for their quality personality, so that they will be a motivated youth and get motivated and to like to prepare themselves mentally and emotionally to have a very high IQ and EQ as well.
As our Prime Minister said, if my duty starts from 10 a.m., I should come before it only. It's my own responsibility, and we should take all these things as our own responsibility and not take this in such a way that someone is forcing us to do that thing. But we should encourage ourselves and also our next generation to think that when India gets developed, it's our own development.